Hi, I'm Simon, and I'm here to talk about the high-spec interface connector. When you convert your Ford commercial vehicle and you want your conversion to respond to the base vehicle, this interface connector will allow you to pull signals from the CAN bus and make your conversion respond to a certain vehicle condition. For example, on a tipper body, you might not want your tipper to be able to be activated until the vehicle is in neutral, the speed is at 0, and the handbrake is on. All those signals and many others are available on the interface connector. There is a guide available to let you do this through the BEMM'en, the Body and Equipment Mounting Manual, available online. For any question that you can't really find in the manual itself, we've also got a dedicated team online that will answer an incoming email for any technical question you have. Thank you very much. See you soon.